Looks like it's going to be too hot. Hello.
And we're back recording again.
Welcome to Cooking with George Sampson. Who is George Sampson? He's the dancer fella. Why did he come into my head? We don't have the same hair.
Me and James are the new improved MasterCard. We walk and talk.
Everyone's like, you're putting on the butter on, James. And I'm like, well, I never cook. That's what women are for. Oh, controversial. Okay, I don't know what's enough. So, oh shit. I think it's too hot.
I think it's too hot. Turn it down there a bit. Turn it down to 4.
4, legend.
Well, actually, hang on. What's it on now?
It's on 8.
I think it's down to
5, so.
Yeah, 5 will do. There we go.
No. 5, it's on 5.
It's on 5.
A bit more for the crack, because, you know, we're doing it wrong. Might as well just keep going.
Stay at it. Go on, mix it. Whoop.
Oh.
Is it greased up?
Yeah, I think it is.
Alright, now I have to remove cap slowly on this hook here.
Oh, yeah. So, you kind of know what we're doing, right? Give him time, he's dyslexic. Okay.
How much of this do we pour in, James?
Well, just enough to fill it, like make a crepe pancake.
Tell me how much you want. And tell me where to stop.
Oh shit. Lump. I think that's...
Okay, mix that. Mix it around.
Uh-oh, I'm trying. We're trying to go for a heart shape, obviously. Shit.
Fail. That's still lumpy as fuck.
Okay. Oh yeah, Mum was like, don't make a mess, don't tell her. YouTube can't tell. Let's poke it. Oh no. I don't want your girlfriend. Now, Corey usually cooks naked, but he had to make an exception today. Not looking too bad, you know? Ooh!
Here we go.
Yup.
Now what's the plan?
Is Corey gonna flip for us?
Am I fucked? Is it even ready to be flipped? I don't know, I can't get under it.
No.
What the fuck? Oh yeah. More for the buzz.
Wait, Alicia. Shit, she texts me. Oh my god. This fails will be so funny. Go on, you fucking legend, do it! Yes!
No.
That is actually kind of beautiful.
It's all lumpy and fucked up.
That's what she said. She didn't like our pancakes. Whoa. Wow, you're a legend. Fair play.
Say that one's gonna be a big trial and error right there.
By the end of the day, you'll be Ramsey and I'll be Oliver.
I want to be Oliver.
Okay, I like Ramsey more anyway.
Nice. Jamie Oliver's younger and cool.
Jamie Oliver's a twat, as they say.
Jamie Oliver's funny.
We're not having this conversation now. I think this concludes the pancake tutorial. As you can see, you can get a beautiful pancake by doing Corey's way. Or doing that. Bye, kids. Bye.